A man sells two articles, first at 15% loss and second at 19% profit. If during the whole transactions he bears a loss of rupees 90. If he sells both articles at same price, then find the cost price of second article. In the first article is sell at the loss of 15%. So 15% is equal to 3 by 20. The 20 is a cost price. Here the loss is 3. Here the cost price is equal to 20. So loss is equal to minus 3. Then selling price is equal to 20 minus 3. So value is equal to 70. Second at 19% profit. The second at 19% profit. So 19% can be written as 19 by 100. Say the cost price is 100. The profit is 19 and the selling price is 119. If he sells both articles at same price, their selling price is 119. Here the selling price is 17. So here we can equalize both selling prices. So how can I equalize? Multiply this value into 7. This value is equal to 119. So similarly multiply this value into 7. This value into 7. So during the whole transactions he bears a loss of rupees 90. Here loss is the overall transactions, here the loss is minus 21. Here the profit is 19. So plus 19. The overall loss is minus 2. Here minus 2 units represent 90 rupees. So 1 unit represent 90 by 2. So value is equal to 45 rupees. Find the cost price of second article. Here the cost price of second article is 100 units. So 1 unit value is equal to 45. So 100 units value is into 45. So value is equal to 4,500 rupees. A man sells two articles, first at 20% loss and second on 60% profit. Find their selling price if the difference between the cost price is rupees 3,200. If the selling price of both article is same. If the first article is sell at loss of 20%. So 20% is equal to 1 by 5. Say the cost price is 5. Here the loss is 20%, that means 1. See the loss is 1 and selling price is 5 minus 1. So value is equal to 4. The second one is 60% profit. So 20% is 1 by 5. 60% is 3 by 5. Say the cost price is 5. The profit is equal to profit is equal to plus 3. Here the loss is minus 1. And selling price is equal to 8. Selling price of both article is same. So here the selling price is 8. Here the selling price is 4. So how can I equalize both selling prices? So multiply this value into 2, multiply this value into 2, multiply this value into 2. If the difference between the cost price is 3200, here the first item cost price is 10, the second article cost price is 5. So the difference is 10 minus 5. So value is equal to 5 units. So 5 units represent 3200. So what is the value for 1 unit? So 1 unit is equal to 640 rupees. Find their selling price. Here the selling price is 8 units. So 8 units represent into 640. So 0, 32, 51. So 5120 rupees. A man sells 3 articles at same price. First on 20% profit, second on 10% loss, and third on 25% loss. So during the whole transactions, he bears a loss of rupees 120. Find the selling price of each article. First article 20% profit. So 20% is equal to 1 by 5. Say the cost price is equal to 5. So profit is equal to 1. So the selling price is equal to 6. Second on 10% loss. So 10% value is equal to 1 by 10. So here the cost price is equal to 10. So the loss is equal to minus 1. The selling price is equal to 10 minus 1, 9. Third on 25% loss. So the third is 25% loss. So 25% is equal to 1 by 4. So here the cost price is equal to 4. So loss is equal to minus 1. So selling price is equal to 4 minus 1. So value is equal to 3. So the man sells 3 articles at same price. So here the selling price is 9, here the selling price is 3, here the selling price is 6. So selling price of each article is same. So the calculate the LCM of 6, 9, 3. So value is equal to 18. So how can I get 18? So multiply this value into 3, multiply this value into 2, so multiply this value into 6. So similarly multiply this value into 3, this value into 3, this value into 2, this value into 2. So this value into 6, this 12 into 6. During the whole transactions, he bears a loss of rupees 120. The first here first one is profit plus 3, second one is loss minus 2, the third one is loss minus 6. See, the overall the loss is minus 5. See, the 5 units represent 120 rupees. So 1 unit represent 24 rupees. So find the selling price of each article. Say the selling price is 18 units. So 18 units is equal to 18 into 24. So value is equal to 432 rupees. A man sells 2 articles for rupees 1710. He sells first at 10% loss and second at 25% profit. Find the amount of overall profit and loss if the cost price of first article is equal to selling price of second article. So he sells first article at 10% loss. So 10% is equal to 1 by 10. So the cost price is 10. So loss is equal to minus 1. The selling price is equal to 10 minus 1, 9. The second at 25% profit. Second is equal to 25% profit. So value is equal to plus 1 by 4. Say the cost price is equal to 4. The profit is equal to plus 1. Then selling price is equal to 5. The cost price of first article is equal to the selling price of second article. See, the cost price of first article is 10 and the selling price of second article is 5. So how to equalize? So multiply this value into 2 into 2 into 2. So a man sells 2 articles for rupees 1710. Here the first item selling price is 9. The second article selling price is 10. So the total selling price of 2 article is 9 plus 10. So that value is equal to 19 units. So 19 units value is equal to 1710. So 1 unit value is equal to 1710 by 19. So value is equal to 90. Find the amount of overall profit and loss. Here the loss is minus 1 and the profit is plus 2. So that value is equal to plus 1. So the overall profit is 1 unit. So 1 unit is represent 90. So the overall 90 rupees profit. The selling price of A and B are rupees 1800 each. A calculate his profit percentage on selling price while B on cost price. Find the difference between the cost price if both claims 20% profit. So both claims the profit of 20%. So 20% value 20% is equal to 1 by 5. So So A calculate his profit on selling price. Say the selling price is 5. Say the selling price is equal to 5. So the profit is plus 1. So the cost price is 5 minus 1. So selling price is 4. So B claims 20% profit. So 20% is equal to 1 by 5. B calculate his profit on CP, cost price. Here the cost price is equal to 5. So profit is equal to plus 1. Then selling price is equal to 6. The selling price of A and B are rupees 1800 each. So that means the selling price of two articles is same. Say the selling price of first article is 5. The selling price of second article is 6. So equalize selling price of two articles. So multiply this value into 6. Multiply this value into 5. So into 6 into 6 into 5 into 5. The selling price of A and B are rupees 1800 each. So here the selling price is 30. Here the selling price is 30. So here the selling price of A is 1800 and the selling price of B is 1800. So here the 30 units represent 1800. So 1 unit represent into 660. Find the difference between their cost price. Here the cost price is 24. Here the cost price is 25. So the difference is 25 minus 24. So value is equal to 1 unit. So 1 unit value is equal to 60 rupees. A man purchases some articles at the rate of 11 articles for rupees 10 and he sells all the articles at the rate of 10 articles for rupees 11. Find the overall profit or loss percentage. So cost price of 11 articles is equal to 10 rupees. Cost price of one article is cost price of one article is equal to 10 by 11 rupees. He sells all articles at the rate of 10 articles for 11 rupees. So the selling price of 10 articles is equal to 11 rupees. Selling price of one article is equal to 11 by 10 rupees. The cost price is 10 by 11. The selling price is 11 by 10. Find overall profit or loss percentage. Here the profit is SP minus CP. So the calculate SP minus CP. So the selling price is 11 by 10 and the cost price is 10 by 11. So that value is equal to LCM is 110, so 121 minus 100, so value is equal to 21 by 110. So here the profit is equal to 21 by 110. So find overall profit or loss percentage. Here the profit percentage is equal to profit is 21 by 110. So profit percentage is calculated on cost price. The cost price is 10 by 11. So by 10 by 11. So into 100. So the 11 cancel, 21 by 100. So 100 cancel. So profit percentage is equal to 21%. See the cost price of banana is 40 rupees per dozen. The selling price is 35 rupees for 8 bananas. So find overall loss percentage or profit percentage. The cost price is 40 rupees, the selling price is 35 rupees, the loss is 5 rupees. So loss percentage is equal to 5 by cost price is 40 into 100. So 1 by 8 into 100 value is 12.5%. So this is the wrong answer. The cost price of 40 rupees is per dozen. Here the selling price is 35 rupees for 8 bananas. See the unit is different. Here the unit is per dozen. Here the unit is for 8 bananas. So actual cost price of 8 bananas. Here the dozen means 12. So 12 bananas cost is 40 rupees. So 8 bananas cost is actual cost price. So that value is 40 into 8 by 12. So 2 times, 3 times. So 80 by 3. So 80 by 3, that value is 2, 6. Here the cost price of 8 bananas is 26 2 by 3 rupees. Here the selling price of 38 bananas is 35 rupees. Here we will get a profit. Say man purchased some article at the rate of 11 articles for rupees 10. That means the cost price of 11 articles is equal to 10 rupees. So 11 articles cost price is equal to 10 rupees. Here the 10 article selling price is equal to 11 rupees. Here the 11 article cost price is 10 rupees. 10 article selling price is 11 rupees. Here you have to equalize the articles. How can I equalize? So multiply this value into 10. Multiply this value into 11. That means 110 article cost price. Here multiply value into 10. So multiply this value into 11. That means 110 articles cost price is 100 rupees. 110 article selling price is 121 rupees. So here we get the profit of 21. So 21 rupees profit for 100. So 21 by 100 into 100. So value is equal to 21 percentage profit. A man purchased some pencils at the rate of 6 pencils for 5 rupees and he sells all the articles at the rate of 5 articles for rupees 6. Find the overall profit or loss percentage. 6 articles cost price is equal to 6 articles cost price is equal to 5 rupees. So 5 articles selling price is equal to 6 rupees. So here we have to equalize the articles. So multiply this value into 5. So into 5. So multiply this value into 6. So into 6. Here the 30 articles cost price is equal to 25 rupees. Here the 30 articles selling price is equal to 36 rupees. This is what is the profit. So value is increased by 11. So 11 by 25 into 100. So value is equal to 44 percentage. So a man purchases some oranges at the rate of 1 orange for rupees 2 rupees and some number of oranges at the rate of 2 orange for 1 rupee. And he sells all of them at the rate of 4 oranges for 3 rupees. Find the overall profit or loss percentage. 1 orange so 1 orange cost price is equal to 2 rupees. So 2 orange cost price is equal to 1 rupee. And he sells all of them at the rate of 4 oranges. This is the cost price and the selling is 4 oranges. Selling price is equal to 3 rupees. Here the cost price of 1 orange is 2 rupees. Here 2 oranges is 1 rupee. So multiply this value into 2. Multiply this value into 2. That means the 2 oranges cost price is 4 rupees. 2 oranges cost price is 1 rupees. So add these two values. So 2 plus 2. So 4 oranges cost price is equal to 4 plus 1. So 5 rupees. See the 4 oranges cost price is 5 rupees. 4 oranges selling price is 3 rupees. If the loss is 2 rupees. So what is the loss percentage? So loss percentage is equal to loss by CP 5 into 100. So value is equal to 40%. A man buys some oranges at the rate of 5 for 1 rupee and same number of oranges at the rate of 4 for 1 rupee. He sold all of them at the rate of 9 for 2 rupees. During the whole transaction, he incurs in a loss of rupees 30. Find the number of articles that he purchased. So 5 oranges cost price is equal to 1 rupee and 4 oranges cost price is equal to 1 rupee. So here first you have to equalize the article, multiply this value into 4, multiply this value into 5. So into 4 into 5. With the cost price of 20 article is 4 rupees. Cost price of 20 article is 5 rupees. So the total cost price of 40 oranges is 9 rupees. He sold all of them at the rate of 9 for 2 rupees. Here 9 oranges selling price is equal to 2 rupees. Here equalize the articles, multiply this value into 9, multiply this value into 40. So into 9, so into 40. Here the 360 articles cost price is 81 rupees. 360 articles selling price is 80 rupees. Here the loss is 1 rupee. So for 360 articles the loss is 1 rupee. So during the whole transaction here occurs a loss of 30 rupees. Here the 30 rupees. So multiply this value into 30. So similarly multiply this value into 30. So value is equal to 1088.